Hey guys, it's your boy Indian here. Did you know 1 in every 3 Americans are afraid of using credit cards online? Largest fear being theft and fraud. In a survey of 1700 people, 53% of the people preferred using debit card instead of credit card. And over 63% of them own less than 2 credit cards and 15% said they don't own any. Well, that is okay. Today I'm going to walk you through top 5 credit cards you need to own in 2021. And at the end, I have a small trick which will give you more than triple of the cashback that you already receive on all of your credit cards. But before that, do you know why Mexican food is like credit card? Because you paid for the next day. I'm sorry, I'm just practicing my dad joke skills, just being a new parent. Okay, moving on, here are top 5 credit cards with no annual fees. At number 5, we have Bluecash Everyday American Express credit card. American Express offers you $200 in statement credits when you spend more than $2,000 in the first 6 months. They offer 3% cash back on all the supermarkets for the first 6,000 you spend every year, and 1% cash back thereafter. 2% cash back on gas stations, and in addition to that, they also offer 0% APR on any of the purchases for 15 months. I recently uploaded a video how I saved $16,000 on my mortgage by using balance transfer. I'll link it in the description below. On number 4, we have Discover It Cashback Credit Card. This was the first credit card I applied for when I arrived in US. This is easily one of the best starter credit cards that you can get in the market, and it is one of the famous credit card amongst the students. They offer unlimited 1% cashback on all the purchases, and they have a bonus 5% cashback schedule every quarter. For example, they are offering 5% cashback right now from October to December on any of your purchases on Amazon and Walmart. From April to July, you can earn 5% cashback on gas stations and Target, 5% cashback on restaurants and PayPal, and from July to September, 5% cashback on restaurant purchases and PayPal. In addition to this, they also offer 0% APR on balance transfer for 14 months. They currently have an offer going on as of September 2021 where they are going to match all the cashbacks that you will earn for the next 12 months, and it doesn't have a limit. It's a best pick in terms of credit card if you're looking to splurge during the holiday season. You can use my referral link in the description below if you want to earn $100 in statement credit. Okay, so the next one is really close to my heart. I have been using this credit card for the last 3 years on daily basis to fill up my gas, buy groceries, do online shopping, offline shopping as well. And it is Citi Double Cash credit card. You guys might have already heard of it and already might have in your wallet. This credit card has one of the best approval ratings. You should be easily able to apply for it and get it. 17,000 people who own this credit card rate this credit card 4.6 out of 5. Citi Double Cash credit card provides 2% cash back on every purchase, 1% when you spend and 1% when you pay back the balance. One of the best thing of this credit card is how easy it is to use this credit card and dispute any of the payments that you're not sure of. There have been so many cases where I bought a product online but never received it, or it was a defective product, and I was easily able to go online and dispute any of these payments, and they're pretty easy to work with. At number 2, we have Savor Rewards by Capital One. They offer 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, streaming services and groceries. They are currently offering $200 cash bonus once you spend $500 in the first 3 months. They offer 1% cash back on all the purchases, 0% APR for the first 15 months on any of the purchases or balance transfer. I really like the review section on their website where they're not trying to hide any of the 1-star reviews, and they're really funny. You should go and check it out. At number 1, we have Chase Freedom Flex. Chase Freedom Flex also offers $200 cash bonus after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. This means you can buy iPod Pro and this sick looking Adidas shoe totaling to $500 just for $300. Besides that, they also offer 5% cash back on travel related expenses. This includes airline tickets, rentals, hotels, activity and cruises. They also offer 3% cash back on restaurants and also includes takeout, 3% cash back on drugstores and 1% cash back on everything else. They also offer 5% cash back up to $1,500 on selected categories every quarter, similar to what Discover offers. For example, Walmart and PayPal from October to December, groceries and streaming services from July to September, gas station and home improvements from April to June, internet, phone services and streaming services from Jan to March. The point guy says both beginners and experts can get a lot of value out of this credit card, and it's definitely worth considering adding to your wallet. Okay, so these are the 5 top credit cards that I really liked from 2021 and moving into 2022 as well. But here is the bonus tip that I was was talking about at the beginning of the video. You can just use Google Pay to do any of your online or offline purchases. Once you do that, they will offer you up to 2 to 20% cash back on any of the purchases that you do through your Google Pay. And by the way, this is in addition to the cashback that you will already receive on the credit card that you have uploaded on Google Pay. You can get up to 2 to 20% cashback on Macy's, H&M, Adidas, Asus, ShopRite, and so much more. They currently have a limited time offer. If you use my referral link in the description below, they will give you $5 on your first qualified purchase. Well, that is for today, guys. For any reason, if I provided you value today, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn what does affect your credit score, you can click on this video here. Or if you want to learn how I saved up to $16,000 in my mortgage using the balance transfer, you can click on this video here, and see you in the next one.